conditioned. Wow, this feels so good.
You know what this is?
It's air conditioned, Lucas.
Nice. Yeah, we're gonna have a good. Imagine this. No, you can make a good house out of it.
Listen, it's the same side. It's air conditioned.
You know what? This is a good size house.
It's air conditioned, huh, Lucas?
You can turn this into a gym.
Wow, look at this. I
This
like
would be a
this.
good size gym.
I like this.
And this would be a good size house. Like
I
a
like
bed
this.
over here, a kitchen over here.
I like this. What you call this thing? London Eye?
Yeah, London Eye.
What's that mean? What's London Eye?
It's a eye that is in London.
It's a Ferris wheel in London.
And it's very, very popular.
Don't block that. Don't block it.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
Ice, baby.
Very nice. We're in an enclosed capsule with air conditioning. Don't touch anything. Don't break it. Look outside. Look outside. Oh my God, we're on top of Orange County. We're literally on top of Orange County Fairground.
I think not that much left. When we look down, you get this feeling that you're gonna go fast.
Look at this. I love this.
You know what? When you look down, it kind
Look,
of.
look, hidden camera, Lucas. Don't do anything. That's so smart. Wow, look at this. There's a hidden camera. So don't do anything I wouldn't do.
There's hidden camera. Don't do anything that I will not do.
I think this is even better than London Eye.
No, London Eye is like this.
Okay.
London
I wouldn't do.
Look at all the rides down there. I dare to go on that one.
I dare you to go on that one.
No,
No, I dare you first.
no, but I dare you earlier though. So that means I win. Go. When we're done, I want to see if you're done. I see Mama.
I am the dare master. I dare people.
I'm the dare king.
You're the dare king? Like dare King Henry or dare King Philip? Oh yeah, wow.
Wow. Hello, stick. What are you doing here? Look at this stick.
Look at the people.
Look at this stick.
I know. Look at the people. They're tiny like ants, huh? Right? Do you
Well, I
think
can
so?
picture one right there. And I can picture that car that's driving.
Those are workers.
Yeah, I can picture those workers and standing right here.
Those are employees.
And I can zoom in to see those fish.
Oh look, so many people in the fairground.
You know, I see Mama. I can see Mama.
You do?
Yeah. She's over there.
Oh, that's it. No more round? Can we have one more ride? No. Thank you very much. This way, one way. We have to go out the other way.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, London Eye.